how are you doing? I hope you're having a great day. Thank you so much for being here and unboxing and watching this video with me. So today we're opening up a brand new subscription to our channel, and this is Plum Deluxe Tea Club. So as you can probably tell, it's a tea subscription. But whenever we have a new subscription on our channel, I always like to pull up the website so we can get a little bit more information, some pricing, and all that before we get to the unboxing. But before we do that, I just want to remind you that we have some giveaways going on our channel. Those are always linked down below, so if you have not yet entered, definitely check those out. So Plum Deluxe, it says, hand blended in small batches at our studio in Portland, Oregon, Plum Deluxe's line of signature loose leaf teas will help you slow down for a mindful moment and enjoy the luxurious feeling of a cup of tea, perfect for a warm exchange with friends and family or a few quiet minutes of reflection and solitude. All of our tea blends are organic, non-GMO, and free of chemicals and sulfites. We support local and USA farmers wherever possible and run an active philanthropy program. Our company was founded by entrepreneur Andy Hayes as a tribute to his mother, who lost a brave 6-year battle with breast cancer but never forgot to enjoy the little things in life. So they offer several different Tea of the Month clubs. Their most popular one is only $10 per month, and you receive 1 ounce of custom, seasonally perfect artisan loose leaf tea made just for the club. A caffeine-free membership option is also available, so that's great. You can choose caffeine or caffeine-free, depending on what your preferences are. Subscribers also enjoy access to a robust and supportive private tea lovers community, tea-inspired recipes, discounts, free shipping on extra teas and supplies, and many fun surprises. Gift subscriptions are also available. Plum Deluxe hosts community tea swaps and gift exchange throughout the year for members who wish to participate. So the most popular program, like I said, is the 1 tea per month. That's $10 monthly. And you get 1 ounce of premium seasonal tea made just for the club. That makes about 15 to 20 cups. You get a sample of a second delicious tea from their shop. You get brewing instructions, tea pairings and recipes, private supportive tea lovers community, free shipping on all of your purchases, members only specials and discounts, and risk-free. You can cancel at any time. And then they also have a 2 teas per month program, which is $16 a month. You get 1 ounce of premium seasonal tea made just for the club, which is approximately 15 to 20 cups. And then you get a 1 ounce of surprise blend from their online shop, which again makes 15 to 20 cups. You get a sample of a third delicious tea from their shop, and then it looks like all of the rest is the same. So you get the instructions, you get to be part of that private community, free shipping, members only specials and discounts, and again, you can cancel at any time. But if you don't want to get that quantity, they also offer one to get half an ounce of tea each month with all the same perks and benefits, and you only pay $7.50 a month. So this is a really affordable tea subscription. That is great. So I think we have enough information, right? We know kind of what they're all about, what the pricing is. I, of course, am going to link their website down below. I'll also write down below the pricing information and all of that. But anyways, let's get started and see what's inside. So it came in this purple mailing bag. I love purple. You know, when I open this bag, it smells so good. Let's read the note in here first. So on one side it says, fresh, organic, fair trade, plumdeluxe.com. And then on the back it says, thank you, we appreciate you. Tea like life is all in how you make it. So here are a few tips on how to make a great cup of tea. 1. Put the kettle on. You want a full boil for black teas, oolongs, and herbals, less than boiling for green and white teas. 2. Add 1 teaspoon of tea leaves to your tea infuser and place in your favorite mug. Pour approximately 8 ounces of hot water over top. Tea. Steep according to the instructions on your packet of tea. Then add milk or sweetener to your liking or not and enjoy. Awesome. And, oh yeah, it looks like I have 3 teas here and then a sample. So the first one it says Plum Deluxe Tea, fresh, organic, fair trade, and this is the Porch Sippin' Pecan Black Tea. It says sit on a porch or anywhere, relax, enjoy. And this is made with black tea, cinnamon chips, pecan pieces, pecan essence, safflower. Steep 1 teaspoon in 8 ounces of boiling water, 3 to 5 minutes. I don't know why I said 15. And this does have caffeine. So this is what the packaging looks like. Super convenient because you can reseal it easily. Ooh, the next one is coconut macaroon dessert tea. Indulge in fresh, chic flavor, just relax. All organic, black tea, honeybush tea, rooibos tea, coconut pieces, natural almond essence, love, gratitude. This one has caffeine. Steep 1 teaspoon of boiling water for 3 to 5 minutes. Again, this is what it looks like. And then, oh my gosh, this might be the one I have to make. Deluxe pumpkin spice tea. It's a pumpkin party. Pairs well with pies and cookies, sweaters, and blankets. All organic, honeybush tea, black tea, cinnamon, cardamom, ginger, cloves, calendula, safflower, natural pumpkin flavor, love, gratitude. Steep 1 teaspoon in boiling water for 3 to 5 minutes, and this one has low caffeine. Ooh, I kind of want caffeine though, because I forgot to mention this in the beginning, but I am going to brew some tea in this video and try it out for us. And then the sample is House Blend Black Tea, a simple, comforting, yet bold and assertive tea to celebrate all of life's moments. And this is all organic, Assam black tea, Ceylon black tea, safflower, blue melva flowers, vanilla essence, love, and gratitude. This has caffeine, so definitely still a lot in there. So what should I make? I think it's funny how I'm like turned off. I'm like low caffeine. Like that was totally like the one that sounded the best for me, but what do I want? Yeah, I think I'm just gonna make the pumpkin one anyway. So I will be back. I'm gonna go turn my kettle on, get everything ready, and then we'll do a little taste test. Okay, we are back. So again, I chose that pumpkin spice tea. So I use my kettle. I actually got this in a past FabFitFun. So I filled like the center with the tea and then poured hot water in it. It's pretty full, so, and I put a little bit of extra tea in it so I can have multiple cups. And I have some, I already poured it so it would cool off a little, in this cute little teacup that I received in the kindness box. So it still looks like it's a little hot. I'm not gonna add creamer or anything into it, even though I think that would probably be amazing. Because one, I'm like doing the intermittent fasting. It's not my time yet to have calories. And also I just have nothing in my fridge. And I usually drink my like drinks black anyways. So I'm gonna try it right now. I think it's been cooling off enough. It's definitely steeped at least the 5 minutes before I poured it. It smells amazing, by the way. I just love the smell of pumpkin spice. I mean, it's the perfect temperature. And it tastes so good. It's so flavorful. I love it on its own, but I think just like a splash of creamer or whatever you use in your drinks would just make that so good. Like the spices blend so well. Like if you had pumpkin spice latte or pumpkin spice anything, you know, it's just such a good combination with like cream, but this is really good. Man, so far I'm really impressed. I can only speak on this one tea, but yeah, that was awesome. So I have, like I said, I have a bunch left in here. I am filming a lot today just because I may be traveling soon, so I made a lot so I can just have it here and sip as I go. So I love the pumpkin spice tea. I'll have to keep you updated on the others. Again, we got a sample of the House Blend Black Tea here, the Porch Sippin' Pecan Black Tea, and the Coconut Macaron Dessert Tea. They sound so good, all of them, like so good. And I love how the bags are resealable. That is so convenient. And you can seriously get a lot, because I like was actually measuring it out, and like a teaspoon was barely anything. So I totally believe them when they say you can get like more than 15 to 20 was it, cups from these. But yeah, I think this was a really good tea subscription. And I'm gonna pour some more of that pumpkin tea and get to work on other things. But thank you guys so much for being here. Definitely let me know your thoughts down below. If you tried this, are you gonna try it? Again, all of their links and information will be down below. I love how affordable it is, how you can even get one that's only $7.50. Like Free shipping, that's great. So yeah, that'll all be down below, giveaways down below and all of that. But I really appreciate you guys being here and unboxing with me and sipping on some tea. I hope you're having a good one, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.